Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Y'all feeling good tonight? I said y'all feeling good tonight? We finna turn up a little bit. Come on, put them up, clap your hands like this. You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. So you enchant me even when you're not around. So if there are boundaries, I would try to knock them down. But I'm latching on, babe. Now I know that I have found. We're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. And I lock in your love, baby. So now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I've got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I've got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. So how do you do this? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me? Feel my heartbeat on my chest. If you with somebody you love, tell them I love you right now. If you latching on to him, give him a kiss on the cheek, you know what I'm saying? Something real smooth. Some real player, you know what I'm saying? And then whisper in the ear and just tell him, I think we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. And I lock in your love.